Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial on understanding a BTRIS Research blood order report. Tracking research blood draws is not a straightforward process, yet a large percentage of blood specimens drawn at NIH are research blood specimens. The BTRIS Research blood report allows protocol staff to track these orders and specimens. The earliest research blood order data is available from 2004 to present day. Keep in mind that data from BTRIS may take up to 48 hours to be transferred to BTRIS. The BTRIS Research blood report hopes to address these challenges protocol staff encounter when research blood specimens need to be reconciled. It is difficult to identify which research blood specimens belong to your protocol, since many subjects are co-enrolled in other studies for which research blood specimens are also ordered and collected. The BTRIS Research blood report supplies the data needed to help make that determination. The research blood report provides not only the order details of the research blood, but also details of the ordering provider, dates of signed protocol consents for each subject, protocol start and end dates, and the collected specimens details, in order to help you attribute the specimen to the correct study. While the BTRIS Research blood report provides a broad set of information, some items of information have a higher level of reliability for giving information that can specifically be traced back to your protocol. Together with the protocol signed consent date and who placed or requested the order, research blood specimens can be more easily tracked and identified for your study when you have all pertinent data points together in one report. If you are interested in creating a research blood order report for your study, contact BTRIS support for assistance and guidance. For the remainder of this tutorial video, we will go over an example research blood report and give a detailed explanation and levels of reliability on the types of data found in the research blood report. Columns A through K contains demographic data for each subject. Column G, age, contains the age of the subject when the research blood order was placed. Column L, BTRIS order number, contains the unique identifier for each research blood order. Each research blood order is duplicated for each protocol the subject is consented to for you to review and compare protocol-specific information to the order's details to properly assign the correct protocol the research blood order was placed for. One BTRIS order number should be matched to one protocol. Column M, verified protocol by the team, is intentionally left blank as a placeholder for notes, or for the identified protocol number once verified. Column N, all protocols subject is consented to, contains a protocol the subject has consented to. Each research blood order will be duplicated for each protocol a subject is consented to. Columns O and P, date protocol started and date protocol terminated, contain the start and end date of the protocol listed in column N. Column Q, protocol status at time of order, indicates whether the research blood order was placed when the protocol was active. This is reliable. If the order was placed outside of the active time period of the protocol, then it is likely that this order was not placed for this protocol. Columns R through W contain the research blood order information. Column S, order set name, is the order set from which the research blood order was ordered under. It is rare that protocol staff will place a research blood order from a different protocol's order set. Therefore, the protocol number listed here in the order set name is reliable in determining the correct protocol this research blood order was placed for. Column T, allocate order to protocol, is the protocol selected from the drop-down pick list in BTRIS. The protocol listed here is often not reliable because the ordering provider will often select the first protocol that shows up from the drop-down list. Column U, current IC of provider, and column V, request by, contains the current IC and the name of the provider who requested the research blood order. Column W, order entered by, contains the name of the provider who placed the order in BTRIS. Columns X through AA contain consent date data. Column X, oldest consent date, contains the initial or earliest documented consent date from two sources that are available to BTRIS. Columns AA, date diff, contains the number of days the research blood order was placed from the earliest known consent date of this protocol. Negative values indicate that the order was placed before a consent was signed, therefore, it is not likely that this order was placed for this protocol. Positive values indicate that the order was placed after a consent was signed, therefore, the protocol should still be considered. Columns AB through AX contain the research blood order's details. Column AB, order date time, contains the date and time the research blood order was entered into BTRIS. Column AF, contains the type and color of the tube the specimen was collected in. This is helpful in reconciling or locating research blood specimens from an inventory. Columns AP and AQ contain special instructions, collection, and routing instructions from the order's details. This often contains familiar names of research staff which can help you identify whether this research blood specimen was ordered for your protocol. Please contact BTRIS support for assistance and guidance if you are interested in creating a research blood order report. The BTRIS team is ready and eager to help you leverage BTRIS as efficiently as possible for your work.